To hang windows, the first thing you want to do when you get up to the opening is measure your openings. If you go up to window opening, you just check your diagonals. That's 67. If you hold your tape the same way and in the same area, so we're at 66. So we know it's not square. I like to check square first. Then I like to check my opening size. Here we're 60 inches. Here is almost 61, so it's out of level.
Yep.
And then this way, we were 28, and here we're 28 and a half, so it's also out of plumb.
And that was on purpose.
Right, just for training purposes.
Yep.
So what I like to do is, this was the shortest point of the height. So I like to start with setting the window on this side, because if you set with that side, you may not get the window in. If you try to trim with that side first, you may not get the window to set. So this is gonna be your tightest point. So what I like to do, take your window. This is the nail flange. And usually when you go to set a window, you've got your openings already taped off, the house is sided, you've got your window tape, your house wrap, everything's there. So all you do is you walk up, set your window, let's take a level, kind of see, so it's got to come back there. You can't reach the top, so we'll check the bottom. That shows it's got to go up on that side. So what I like to do with that is find the corner that's going to stay in place. Set that corner. Get a hand from someone on this side. You're going to push that back into me. Yep. Keep going. Won't go all the way. Get it plumb. Tap that in. So that side's secure. Tack that side in. Once you get it all tacked in, you can let go of it and run around. Make sure you put your nails in all the holes. Some manufacturers will void the warranty if there's not a nail in every single flange hole. Then you want to tape it off, go inside. Sometimes it's up to you guys, the installer, to insulate the window. Sometimes it's up to the installation crew. It just depends. And once you get it done, it's always good to go inside, check the function of the window. Sometimes they have little stops on them. They say don't remove until later in the project. It's up to the homeowner or the project manager if you can remove them. Just check the window, check the function, make sure it works, make sure it's level and plumb once you get done.
When we're doing a remodel, right, you're not going to have an insulator. Typically, right, if you're just adding on, we're doing an addition, you might not have an insulator come in behind you. So, or on a remodel where you're doing a kitchen and you're just changing out one window.
But you've got to do everything. You've got to sit the window, you've got to insulate it, you've got to wrap it. You're pretty much the final person to touch the window. You have to make sure everything's done, it's prepped and final for the next, if it's the siding guy, whoever the next sub is behind you, you got to make sure that it's done and ready for them, so they're not trying to wait on you or have to do something else to do their job.
And then if it's new construction, that's where everything should be flashed and ready. You literally should be just setting the windows.
True remodel window, you won't ever get into this part of the window. The casing, the inside case should still be in place. They'll take the sashes out. The new window inserts into that. They've got some filler pieces to go in. You caulk around it and you're done.
Follow and subscribe for more.